Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Tradingview account step by step. Begin by navigating to Tradingview. And clicking Sign Up. Enter an email, create a strong password, and pick a username you will remember. Confirm your email through the verification link and log in. Explore the free plan features, save a chart, and set a simple alert to test notifications. I'll guide you through each screen and setting. Set up your profile and security settings next so your account is safe and personalized. Open Settings, add a display name, select your time zone, and upload an avatar if desired. Then enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS for extra protection. Finally, choose how you want alerts delivered so you never miss a price move. These steps keep your account secure and your charts active. Now let's configure charts and alerts so you can monitor markets efficiently. Open a new chart, add indicators like RSI and moving averages, and adjust colors and timeframes to your taste. Save that layout as a template so you can load it instantly for other symbols. Set price, alerts with clear conditions, and expiration dates to get notified when levels are reached. I'll show examples to make these tools simple and practical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.